going to discuss about master face attacks on face recognition systems. Then we are going to see about overview of our project. The main objective of our project is to identify or to predict the face, that is the either the input face is authenticated or not authenticated. So the face authentication is now widely used, especially on mobile devices, rather than authentication using a personal identification number or an unlock pattern. Due to its convenience, it has thus become a tempting target for attackers. Using a presentation attack should be strong, which can make them difficult to remember and should be changed regularly to ensure security. Personal identification numbers and unlock patterns are more convenient than passwords, but the user is still required to remember them, and people nearby may be able to steal a peek at them. So there's two most commonly used biometric traits for authentication are a fingerprint and the face. So the system is developed with the deep learning techniques such as convolutional neural network for identifying the input face is either authorized or unauthorized uh, effectively. Then we are going to see about the flow of our project. This is the flow diagram. First we are taken some input images, that is the some face images. Then we are select one input image from our data set. The selected input image or carry out to pre-processing step. In this step we can resize the input image as well as grayscale conversion. Then the pre-processed image or carry out to image splitting module. In this step we are splitting the whole data set into test and train. Test image is used for prediction, train image is used for evaluation. Then the splitted image or carry out to classification module. In this module we are implemented convolutional neural network. Then prediction. Here we can predict our input images authentication or not authentication based on our classification algorithm. Then performance estimation. So here we can estimate some performance metric like accuracy. So accuracy means it is the overall prediction, how our model predict accurately in terms of percentage. This is the flow of our project. So now we are going to see about the demo of our project. So this is the output of our project. Here we are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. Here we can choose one input image. Okay, so this is the original image which we are chosen from our database. Then resized image, we can convert the grayscale. Then we are implemented convolutional neural network. With the help of this algorithm we can identify the faces either authorized or unauthorized. So accuracy 99%. So here prediction face authentication, like so authorized face is matched because our already the face will be stored in some database, that is the some data sets. Okay, again I will run. Unauthorized because the face is not matched our data. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.